Come with me to an exclusive private tour and takoyaki class at Otafuku's only U.S. factory. Okay, but what is Otafuku? If you've ever had okonomiyaki or takoyaki, you've probably had it before. Otafuku is a famous sauce company from Hiroshima, Japan that's over 100 years old that specializes in okonomi sauce. Here's their research and development lab where they QA batches to make sure it's good and even create custom sauces for restaurants. I forgot what this room was called, but they can make up to 3,000 gallons of sauce every day. And this is Otafuku's only US factory, so if you've ever bought Otafuku sauce, it's probably from this factory or one of the Japan factories. When we went, we saw them packing the individual packets into boxes. After that, we went to the test kitchen to put our takoyaki cooking skills to the test.
Yeah, but at least the apron, you should probably wear it now.
Oh, this is nice. Yo, we got these really nice aprons and hats during the event, and we got to keep it. Oh gosh. Tell me why I literally got lost in the sauce stirring the batter. Also, I really am not good at cooking. I have burned eggs before. We're using a paper towel to brush the oil evenly onto the platter, and I'm copying my fiance like, huh? After the oil, fill up your grooves halfway.
Takoyaki is not taco.
After it's heated up a little, you can put whatever toppings you want. So here we have actual taco, which is octopus, takoyaki. Then put in the rest of your toppings and fill the platter up with batter. Takoyaki is very much one of those trust the process foods because what do you mean these will all turn into circular balls eventually? Our teacher saw Daniel's and said, hey, that guy's doing it better than me, do you want to work here? Confession time, we actually learned how to make takoyaki one time before from our friends in Osaka, but even they were amazed at how good Daniel was picking it up. By the end of dinner, Daniel's nickname was Takoyaki Man.
It's all gonna taste good.
Oh my god! What a luncheon.
Now it's my turn. Okay, but for real though, it would be really sad if I couldn't do this because I used to be a sushi chef and we would drizzle all the sauces like this. Clearly, I needed more takoyaki sauce, so I added that in the end, but you could really just hide it with bonito flakes. I remember my friends called it dancing flakes because it would move due to how hot the takoyaki was. Okay, now let's taste this.
I'm trying to think. Wow.
Maybe I'm biased because I made it and I was starving, but this was so freaking good. I might just actually start selling it. Alright, now what is Chef Daniel's verdict? It was so good, he was speechless. When I tell you, I was inhaling the takoyaki. I ate 14 out of the 16 that I made, and I'm not even contributing to the conversation. I'm just nodding saying yes.
So yeah, they gave us this goodie bag too, and it's like pretty heavy.
So what's in our bag? So first we have tenkasu, which is tempura crisps. You can literally put it in anything to get extra texture. Okay, next we have takoyaki flour. Oh my gosh, I love that. This makes 100 pieces, so you can literally have a takoyaki party. And next we have the big one. This is a full-on takoyaki plate. And of course, it's not complete without the Otafuku Takoyaki Sauce. Shout out to Josh, Yohei, and the Otafuku team for hooking it up and selecting me as a winner for the IG contest.
I'm going to Japan soon, so you'll see videos of that.
And if you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.